building the future of the oil and gas industry. The Ekton Project Analytics revolution. In the oil and gas industry, managing complex projects is a delicate dance between logistics, resources, and critical decisions. Each undertaking is a delicate dance between logistics, resources, and critical decisions. That's where Ekton Project Analytics comes in, offering solutions that redefine complex project management. Imagine having total control of your projects from planning to execution with Ekton Project Analytics. It's possible. Project planning and control. Your BC tools allow you to plan every detail and have total control with the ability to quickly adjust plans as the project evolves. Agility is the key to success. Integrated cost and schedule management and managing costs and schedules together is our specialty. Keep your projects in line with budgets and schedules without any nasty surprises. Integrated cost schedule risk analysis. Risk management is intrinsic to complex projects. Our integrated cost and schedule risk analysis allows you to identify and minimize risk before they become real problem. Earned value management, integrated with risk management, EVM, RM, Maxivai, DMRM, MRME, integrate EVM with risk management to give you a complete view of project performance. With this view, you make informed decisions to optimize the use of resources. Artificial intelligence and advanced business intelligence with Power BI for project analysis. Stay in control with real-time data analysis and actionable insights. The installation of the Larak Wellhead platform, a monumental project, is a vivid example of how Ekton Project Analytics can transform project management. Imagine coordinating the transportation of massive components such as a four-legged jacket and a 1,000 metric ton topside in deep waters off Sarawak, East Malaysia. The piles, Larak jacket conductors, and Larak topside were moved with surgical precision, and the installation of the Larak jacket required elaborate technical choreography. With Ekton Project Analytics, you would have the capacity for detailed planning, cost management, risk analysis, and real-time insights to ensure the success of projects of this magnitude. Ekton Project Analytics not only simplifies, but also enhances large-scale project management. You don't just control your projects, you take them to a new level of efficiency. Your next epic project starts with Ekton Project Analytics. Join us and transform oil and gas project management like never before.